Two powerful CMS platforms, one crucial decision, which one truly fits your needs. On the left, the streamlined, open-source Ghost CMS, and on the right, the feature-rich, all-in-one HubSpot CMS. We're comparing them in the ways that count: performance, customization, pricing, ease of use, integrations, and more. Let's set aside the marketing and look at what actually matters. Each category gets a score, and by the end, you'll know who the real winner is. The outcome might just surprise you. Let's get into it. Before we dive deep, here's a quick mind map of what we're comparing: price, ease of use, features, design and themes, ecosystem and integrations, security and maintenance, plus SEO and growth. Got it in your head? Cool, let's jump right in. Alright, first up, price. Ghost CMS is open source, so you can literally self-host it for free if you've got the skills, which is pretty wild, honestly. Even their managed hosting isn't gonna break the bank. But yeah, hosting features do depend on the plan you're on, so keep that in mind. Now, HubSpot CMS, on the other hand, comes bundled with a ton of marketing tools, and you don't need to worry about hosting elsewhere. Here's the catch though: pricing can get steep, and those tiered plans, they add up like really quickly. So for value, Ghost easily takes the lead here. Let's talk ease of use. With Ghost, you get this super clean, distraction-free editor, minimal, no frills, but heads up, it does ask for a bit of technical setup, and compared to others, plugins are a bit limited. HubSpot CMS though, man, you get a drag-and-drop builder, onboarding tutorials, and honestly, if you're not technical, it's a dream. Everything's no code. The only warning, it's almost too much for a tiny site, you know. Still, for ease, HubSpot wins this round. Features: so Ghost is like laser-focused on blogging. You get the best native tools, membership, newsletters, all built in. The downside is that you're kind of on your own for integrating fancy stuff like CRMs or marketing automation. Now HubSpot, whoa, they do not mess around here. It comes packed. CRM, analytics, forms, A/B testing, emails, you name it. Sometimes it feels like bringing a bazooka to a water gun fight if you just want a simple blog, but hey, it's comprehensive. HubSpot takes the crown for features, no doubt. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know that Ghost actually started as a Kickstarter project back in 2013? I mean, that's pretty inspiring when you look at where it is today. Let's move over to design and themes. This is where Ghost totally shines. The modern, minimalist vibes, gorgeous. It's really easy to make a beautiful blog, but there's a catch: if you want heavy customization or drag-and-drop stuff, you'll need to dive into code. HubSpot's got a solid theme marketplace, and drag-and-drop is there, so changes are super easy, but the default designs can look kind of generic unless you customize them a lot. This time though, Ghost wins thanks to that beautiful simplicity. Ecosystem and integrations coming up. Ghost does alright here. They support webhooks, they have an API, and you can use Zapier for connections, but let's be real, integrations kind of trail behind. Now, HubSpot. Integration central: marketing, CRM, sales, plus a huge app marketplace. Some stuff is gated behind higher plans, but it's impressive how connected everything is. So for this one, HubSpot's got integration locked down. Security and maintenance is next. With Ghost, you get full open-source transparency and regular security patches, but if you self-host, you are the IT department. Updates and patches, that's on you. HubSpot, meanwhile, fully manages everything: security, GDPR, SSL, backups, it's all handled. Only downside, you're kind of stuck in their system, but you barely have to lift a finger. So HubSpot edges this one out, especially if you don't want tech headaches. Last category, SEO and growth. Ghost is actually really SEO friendly by default, thanks to its clean code and speed, but yeah, it kind of stays in its lane. Not a lot of native marketing bells and whistles. HubSpot though, wow, they bundle a full SEO toolkit plus analytics and A/B testing built in. It's kind of wild. But fair warning, you might spend some time learning how to use all those features. For pure growth, HubSpot ahead here. Here's a quick visual look at how both stack up across all categories. You can really see where each platform punches above its weight and where a few cracks show up. Alright, so here's my honest take. If you're a solo blogger, indie publisher, or just want straightforward, clean writing tools, Ghost is gonna make you so happy. But if you're running a business, needs serious marketing integrations, and love automation, HubSpot is killer. Each one has its quirks, but if you want all-in-one power, you already know which way to go. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more unbiased tech breakdowns. Seriously, it helps a lot and you won't miss our next deep dive.